In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add watermark to photos in Canva. If you share your images online, a watermark is a simple way to protect your work and keep your branding consistent. We'll create a clean, text-based watermark that's subtle but still visible, using Canva's built-in tools. I'll walk you through each action and share practical tips so your watermark looks professional without distracting from the photo. With your photo open on the Canva canvas, move your cursor to the left-hand sidebar and hover over the text option. This is where Canva keeps all type elements. If your panel is collapsed, just expand it so you can see the text controls. From there, click Add a text box. A text layer will appear right on your image, ready for editing. You'll see editing options along the top toolbar as soon as the text box is selected. Type your watermark text into the box. This could be your brand name or handle. Keep it short and consistent across your images so viewers recognize it instantly. If the default text is too large or small, adjust the font size in the top toolbar until it's readable at a glance. Choose a clean, simple font style so the letters remain legible even at lower opacity. You can also fine-tune letter spacing and line height if needed, keeping everything neat and balanced. Next, change the color of your watermark. Click the color swatch in the top toolbar to open the color picker. Then select the color you want. Aim for strong contrast first. You can always soften it with transparency. White often works well on darker areas, and a dark gray or black can sit nicely on lighter sections. If your photo has mixed tones, pick a neutral color that stays visible across most of the image. Now make it look like a real watermark by adjusting its transparency. Click the transparency icon in the top toolbar, the one that looks like a checkerboard. Then move the slider to lower the opacity until the text blends in without disappearing. A range around 20 to 40% is a common sweet spot, but trust your eye based on the photo. Check that the watermark is readable, not overpowering, and that the edges of the letters remain crisp. That's it. You've added a polished watermark in Canva quickly and cleanly. Keep it consistent across your images and you'll build recognition while protecting your work.